PivotWorks is the original, fast, and easy, complete solution when it comes to rebuilding your dirt bike or ATV's chassis and suspension. Today I'll be showing you the PivotWorks front and rear wheel bearing kits for motorcycle applications. If you've lost some steering and handling control on your motorcycle because your wheel bearings are shot, these PivotWorks kits are just what you need. These kits include the necessary bearings and seals to completely rebuild the front or rear wheels of your on or off-road motorcycle. Each bearing and seal that PivotWorks uses is a direct OEM replacement. PivotWorks generally tries to use double-sided sealed ball bearings when possible, where the OEs may only use single-sided ball bearings. These help extend the working life of the bearing to make sure dirt and moisture do not enter the bearing. Each seal PivotWorks uses is specific for each application. If the OEM seal is a single or double lip seal, then the PivotWorks seal will be the same. Some rear wheel kits include the bearing retainers, like what's used on some Honda models. All PivotWorks kits meet or exceed the quality of the OEM parts they replace at a fraction of the cost. With an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. Wheel bearings are one of those items that just constantly gets taken for granted. You don't think about them when you're riding down that epic single-track trail or just cruising to the store. You just expect them to perform day in and day out without giving you any trouble. Before you damage an expensive wheel hub, it's a good idea to periodically check your wheel bearings for play to avoid any failures while you're out riding. And when it comes time to replace your wheel bearings, grab a PivotWorks front or rear wheel bearing kit to get your bike back into its most enjoyable condition for a fraction of the cost. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that contact us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.